Reliance Jio is planning to launch a 5G smartphone for less than Rs 5,000 and gradually reduce the price to Rs 2,500 to 3,000 a unit when it scales up the operation. The company will target 20 to 30 crore mobile phone users who use 2G connection at present. Passenger vehicle exports bore the brunt of the pandemic in April to September period. PV exports from India declined 57.52% in the period, according to the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers. As compared to last year's 3,65,247 units, passenger vehicle exports in the first half of 2020-21 stood at 1,55,156 units. The aggressive push to a digital payments and settlement system has paid rich dividend to the Reserve Bank as the share of paper clearing in retail payments has come to a trickle in FY 2020. In FY 2020, the share of paper clearing in total retail payments plunged to just 2.96% in terms of volume and to 20.08% in terms of value. Paytm users will have to pay a 2% fee on the amount added to their e-wallet using a credit card. Until now, users had to pay 2% fee if they loaded more than Rs 10,000 in their e-wallets via credit card in a month. Mankind Pharma has collaborated with the Russian Direct Investment Fund for sale and distribution of Russian vaccine Sputnik V in India. The cooperation agreement has been signed for sales and distribution of COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V. The RDIF already has a partnership with Dr. Reddy's to conduct clinical trials of the coronavirus vaccine and its distribution in the country. Dr. Reddy's would receive 100 million doses of the vaccine upon regulatory approval in the country. Calling for full preparedness to ensure speedy access to COVID-19 vaccines for every citizen, Prime Minister Narendra Modi suggested developing a vaccine delivery system on the lines of conduct of polls and disaster management while involving all levels of government and citizen groups. At the same time, he also cautioned against any complacency at the decline and called for keeping up the efforts to contain the pandemic. The government said that news aggregators, news agencies that supply information to digital media firms and companies uploading news and current affairs on web portals would have to adhere to the 26% FDI cap. They would be required to align their FDI to the 26% level with the approval of the central government within 1 year from date of issue of this clarification, the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade said.